Spring break. It is upon us. And if you're just now seeing this, it's too late. Just kidding, but we don't have time to waste. We're going to show you every casemate item you need to bring for your spring break, whether you're going to the beach for a tropical vacation, the mountains to get that fresh alpine air, or just your friend's cousin's lake house that has a fire pit and maybe good Wi-Fi. Let's get into it. We'll start with our foundation, the bags. First up, the Jelly Tote. This is not just a tote. This is the main character of your spring break. It's cute, it's functional, it's got a roomy interior for sunscreen, towels, water bottles, sunglasses, emergency snacks, and they all live in harmony. It's durable and wipeable. Sand, sunscreen stains, beveragino spills, child's play. Some real use cases are for beach days when you have to carry a towel, sunscreen, sunglasses, and that one friend's extra things who asks, does anyone else have room in their bag for my stuff? You can also use it on an airplane as a carry-on when you want to put everything in one place and avoid the overhead bin wrestling match. It's also perfect for poolside organization. And it has an extra detachable pouch for even more organization. If you're more of a compact but still over-prepared person, we also have the Zip Jelly Tote Crossbody. This one is for the girls who said, I'm not bringing much, and then somehow they still have SPF 30, SPF 50, after sun lotion, claw clip, backup claw clip, snacks, and a charger that may or may not work. It zips, which means no sand, no spills, no mystery crumbs from 3 days ago. I also recommend this bag in addition to the Jelly Tote because it allows you to have more of a day bag. Great for excursions, dinners, shopping, anything that you would prefer a smaller crossbody for. Next, the Jelly Makeup Bag. You know how on every trip your makeup and smaller essentials end up loose in your bag like they're fighting for survival? Not this year. This is where your sunscreen lives, your lip oils live, your tiny travel perfume that makes you feel expensive, and that one product you never use, but you always bring it just in case. It's wipeable, it's cute, it zips, has plenty of space, it's even a little bit flexible, and it makes you look like you planned ahead, even if you packed at midnight. Some real use cases are flights. It's a TSA-friendly pouch for all your liquids. It's great for poolside, keeping sunscreen, tanning oil, and any sun-adjacent liquids together. It's amazing for road trips. Snack crumbs, water drops, meh. And it's like a makeup bouncer. Keeps things in check so your concealer doesn't sneak out with the bronzer at 3 a.m. Next is our waterproof floating pouch. If you're going anywhere within 50 feet of water, this pouch is non-negotiable. Some functionality highlights. It's fully waterproof. All of our pouches are IP68 waterproof, so you can keep it with you in the water well after your fingers have wrinkled. It also floats right on top of water, meaning your phone doesn't drop to the bottom of the ocean, the pool, or the lake. And it has a transparent touchscreen window on both the front and the back. So you can still take photos and videos underwater. Plus, you can text, scroll, watch your favorite shows or YouTube videos, and make calls. Here's a quick life hack. While you're still at the pool or the beach, go ahead and place that pizza delivery order so by the time you get back to your room, it's already there. And you can call Papa John's, all while your phone is safe within the pouch. Yes, I'll take a thin crust with cheese. So what if I'm lactose intolerant? Some real world cases. Beach days when you want to snap underwater pictures and videos, things like boat trips, kayak selfies. Now, on to our accessories. Our crossbody chain isn't just stylish, it's spring break survival gear. It's hands-free phone carrying, so that means no digging through your bag to find your phone. It's a universal use, and the chain works with any phone, thanks to the little connector card in the back. It's stylish and practical, because function should also look good. Some real use cases for this are concerts and festivals. Your phone stays right there on your person. For nightlife, if you don't have a pocket, you still don't have a problem. And walking spring break towns. Next up is our Loop Grip wallet. It's MagSafe compatible, snap it on, and go. It holds cards safely but accessibly, and it has an ergonomic design. Better selfies? No dropping. For real use cases, you can run quick errands without your tote, and concerts and parties are super easy. No bulky purse required. Keep this with you at all times during spring break. You don't want to have to keep Venmoing your friends because you don't know where you put your credit card, Cheryl. Does Cheryl still go on spring break? I hope you do. But keep it here. For my content girlies, the Stick It phone mount. If you've ever propped your phone against a water bottle, balanced it on a rock, risked your entire device on a questionable railing, you need this. Stick it to the back of your phone and it instantly becomes a traveling tripod. You can stick it to the airplane window for content, mirrors for get ready with me or bathroom fit checks, poolside cabanas, hotel bathroom tiles, and the inside of your rental car window for some road trip vibes. It suctions, it sticks, and it stays, and you get the shot. That's everything you need to pack, but let's discuss where you're taking these. Let's talk scenarios. On the airplane, the Jelly Tote fits under your seat. The crossbody chain is great so your phone doesn't fall into the seat crack, and the stick-it is amazing. You can stick it on the window for that travel blogger aesthetic. You're not just flying, you're documenting. For the pool at the resort, hotel, rooftop pool, Airbnb hot tub, or that random pool party you got invited to. You can also use the waterproof pouch for pool dips, the zip crossbody for sunscreen, and the loop wallet for quick errand runs. For my road trippers, this is your last minute addition bag, snack bag, emergency hoodie storage, gas station haul carrier. The Jelly Tote fits in the back seat beautifully. You can put your stick-it on your dashboard window for pictures, safely parked obviously, or for your GPS when you're on the go. And then of course your crossbody chain for your rest stop runs. You are prepared, hydrated, slightly chaotic, but still prepared. And if you have more of that staycation energy during spring break, maybe you're resetting, resting, reorganizing, or pretending your apartment or home is a luxury resort. Still very valid. Use the tote for errands, the stick-it for at-home content days, the crossbody chain, and the loop wallet for morning walks. And while you're reorganizing under your bathroom sink, use the Jelly makeup bag. It's not just for on the go. Whether you're boarding a flight, packing the car, or dramatically throwing outfits onto your bed while you're texting the group chat, what are you bringing? These Casemate essentials are coming with you because spring break isn't just a trip. It's memories, photos, slight sunburns, and at least one story you can't tell on the internet. Pack smart, travel cute, protect your phone, and most importantly, do not forget the sunscreen. You sound like my mother. Okay, that's it. Now go pack!